Hey friends, this is my little recording studio area here. So I just got these panels, they're pretty cool. I like those. Got my helmet hanging up on the wall. I kind of wanted to put it behind in the background, but it's just not going to work out. So I just have this small little space here, and I wasn't going to be able to, I wanted to put like maybe some different things here and have the helmet in the background. But since this is my little walkway here between the garage and the rest of my house, kind of little office area here, then that would just kind of be in the way. So like my vacuum cleaner there, there's my computer down there, and it's my little setup. So this is where I make most of my videos and stuff right here. Yeah. So that's how it all started right there with the helmet, and that's where it's gonna like retire right there. So yeah, that's about it. I'm pretty happy with these panels though. They do look, I think I like the look of them. Let me know what you guys think in the comments there. Do you think this looks okay, or yay or nay on the background acoustic panels? Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see y'all next time.